My name is Richard Fish. I own and operate 8 Fix Auto collision centers in the Southern California marketplace. Three really good decisions I made. One was joining Fix Auto, one of the better business decisions I ever made. I have no regrets at all about it. The ride's been wonderful. The people that I have been able to surround myself with and the wisdom and the willingness to help has been second to none. And I've tried to do my part in that area as well. But we invested early on. In 2007, we decided that running a traditional body shop that everybody puts out fires every day was just not the way we're going to go about business. I grew up in the tech world. I wasn't used to all the fire drills that body shops had, and most of it was because we're just so deep and steep in tradition. So I discovered the concepts of Lean Six Sigma and became a student of that in the summer of 2007, and have based my entire business, all of our SOPs, on the pursuit of Lean Six Sigma, and it was one of the best things we've ever done. We went from an average cycle time of 14 days to 6 days. We've given some of that back, given the ADAS resets and the various codes that have to be read nowadays and the complexity of the repairs. But the reality is, generally speaking, our shops are 5 to 7 days better than the market at any given time, according to the enterprise rental car reports we get. And that's part of our value proposition. We decided a long time ago. I will also tell you that it's lent incredibly to the sanity of our folks. We think it's a better place to work. I mean, we don't have all these fires. We don't have all this stress. We stick to some fundamental processes that we never give up on, we never abandon. It's created a better work environment. We don't have 30-day cars in our shops. We used to, we don't anymore. And then lastly, us and the ACAB group initiated a 20 group with Ron Kuhn probably about 2 years ago. And I have to tell you, the impact to our business and frankly the value to our managers that attended that group was amazing. I'm not allowed to attend it. Eric wasn't allowed to attend it. It was our regional folks and our shop managers, and they got to do a very deep dive on the business, compare income statements, compare KPIs, and it was really, really neat to see what it did. And lo and behold, during that time period, Eric's shops and my shops were some of the best in the group. And I really give a ton of credit to that 20 group concept. We put it on hiatus during 2020, but we're gonna blow the dust off it and implement it back up here pretty quick, because frankly, we've seen a little bit of a diminishing in some of our KPIs that I just don't wanna see diminished. Those are the 3 key areas that we invested in our business over the last really 10 years that have had a very, very material impact on the health of our business, our culture, and frankly, just a general feeling of success and gratitude that we've been able to achieve.